Another hummus food review. Today we're reviewing the buffalo chicken quesadilla. This one is a staple. Recommend air frying it for 5 minutes, 350 degrees. This nice sauce, let's put some on. This is what it looks like. Very good. This is amazing. Look at how good this looks. Wow, hopefully it focuses, but this is something else. This meal never gets old. Wow. Haven't tried hummus fit yet? Click the link in my bio. Use code 2FAT. You won't regret it.